Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix City Skylines 2 crashes. First, let's cover some essential initial steps. It's crucial to confirm your PC meets the game's minimum requirements, including at least 8 GB of RAM and a compatible GPU. Next, update your graphics drivers to their newest version for optimal performance. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through your game platform to repair any corrupted data. Now, let's adjust your in-game settings and manage other software. Reduce demanding graphics options like resolution, depth of field, and volumetric quality to improve stability. Always close background applications to free up system resources. Additionally, disable any third-party overlays, as these can sometimes interfere with game performance and cause unexpected crashes. Maintaining your system's health is vital for stable gameplay. Make sure your operating system has all the latest updates installed, as these often include important performance enhancements. Regularly monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures. Overheating can lead to crashes. Also, confirm your power supply unit provides enough wattage for your components, especially your graphics card. If the problem persists, consider these advanced troubleshooting steps. A complete reinstallation of the game can resolve deep-seated file corruption issues. You might also try manually clearing the game's cache files, which can sometimes fix persistent errors. Finally, consult community forums for specific workarounds or known issues, as other players may have found unique solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.